Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces Sun Moon Venus rising from 24th till the 30th of November 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Pisces, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we guys have. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have the Four of Swords, the Nine of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, bottom of the deck is the Page of Wands. Okay, it's like there's a sense of friendship that's coming back, or you guys are trying to be in a very light-hearted and happy-go-lucky kind of energy, like friendliness and sharing good laughter, sharing good bond. That is the desire here. That is the energy of, okay, let's keep it light-hearted, let's keep it going like friends, let's keep it going in a beautiful manner. Four of Swords, Nine of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. There's a lot of healing going on. Lot of healing going on in the situation in the background, and there's this sense of both of you are hurt, but both of you are not giving up on this situation. It's like one more chance with all of your heart and soul, and you guys are taking things very slow. Either you guys are taking it very slow, or the whole divine is kind of forcing you guys to slow down and just relax and just heal and give it some time and space, and everything is going to be sorted, everything is going to unfold naturally and organically between you guys the way it should, right? There's a sense of not stagnancy. Actually, I don't see this as a stagnant energy. There's a sense of a lot of healing going on and a slow pace, very slow pace. Things are moving forward in a very slow pace, but in a very grounded way. The base is becoming more solid, more reliable. There's a sense of being hurt in the situation from both the sides, but it's a sense of not giving up even if you guys are hurt. Hmm? Maybe you're not hurt by each other, you're hurt by the circumstances, the situations that's happening right now around you. So the mutual energy here is of not giving up even if you guys are hurt, and like holding on to this situation and trying to give it all of your heart and soul, maybe for one last time. And the lesson here is that slow and steady is definitely going to make the situation go wherever it is supposed to go. So patience is the key. Okay, patience is the key, and a little bit of pinch of practicality, not getting too emotional or not getting too um, yeah, emotional, right? Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Pisces. Oh God, where are you going? Come here. We have the Death. Someone here is feeling the situation is not at all as it used to be. There's a huge transformation in the situation. Either there was an ending, or if not literal ending, things are changing and they are never going to be the same again. Now the change, the transformation can be positive or negative, but there is a huge transformation in the situation, and it seems like this is never going to be the same again. Okay, let's clarify the Death here. So we have Four of Cups, Seven of Cups, and Two of Cups. Yeah, this person is feeling like the disappointment is not there anymore. This energy of not knowing what the situation represents to them is not there anymore. But there is still a lot of emotional confusion whether you also feel the same for them or not, because they got it that you are kind of their soulmate. Even if things are overwhelming, even if things are confusing right now, you are kind of a soulmate to them, but they feel that you might not be on the same page, or things have changed from your side, or you're no longer the same kind of energy the way you used to be with them. But there's no disappointment, there's no unsure energy from their side. They're quite sure that this is about a soulmate kind of dynamics between you and them. Things are overwhelming right now, things are all over the place, but they feel that you are their soulmate, and they're unsure what you feel about this situation and how you are taking it. Okay, there's a lot emotion. The most complex things to express is emotions. There are so many layers. Like, if let's say for example, if I'm saying I'm feeling lost, I'm feeling lost is emotional state, right? And behind that feeling lost, there are so many emotions I can't explain. I'm trying my best to explain as clearly as I can for like to all of you people on this channel. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Page of Cups. So from your side, you feel like emotionally overwhelmed, emotionally involved in the situation, but your emotions are not stable enough, not that much stable. There's a sense of curiosity, there's a sense of emotional connection, but not that much stable, right? Let's clarify the Page of Cups here. We have the Magician, the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Swords. Yep, you feel like manifesting this energy of stability in the situation. This is on and off, in and out, that's keeping you up at night, and you feel stressed out whenever you think about the situation. Because even if there is love, there is a lack of stability, there is a lack of, this stable base. In overall energy, you guys feel like taking things slow, or the universe is kind of pushing you guys to take things slow. So that's the reason you are feeling like the stable base is missing, because it's on and off, in and out, and emotionally a little bit all over the place. And you are feeling stressed out about this situation, especially at night. Not stressed out like you're not eating or you're not shitting. You're doing everything, but in the background, in the back seat of your mind, it's always there. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Come on. Let's see. I'm an albatross. Dun, 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 dun. Nine of Wands. This person wants to fight for this situation. They just don't want to give up on the situation completely. They want to fight for this situation maybe one last time. They're not giving up on this. They're wounded, they're hurt, but they want to fight for this maybe one more last time. One last time. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands here. We have the Death, King of Swords, the High Priestess. So they want to remove this ruthless, cold, and distant kind of energy from the situation, and they want to think about, how to calmly and how to spiritually, or how to, reach to this situation in a not positive way, positive of course, in a gentle way, in a compassionate way, in a nurturing kind of way. Okay, I need a massage. My joints are going crazy. Okay, let's see. What do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Two of Cups. You want a beautiful soulmate kind of dynamic. I think you guys need, both of you want the same thing, but the approach is so different. It seems like both of you want a totally different kind of thing from the same situation, right? But I think on a deeper level, both of you want the same thing. You want a soulmate, beautiful kind of dynamic. Let's clarify the Two of Cups here. You want to keep your heart open to the idea of having a beautiful soulmate kind of connection. Fool, Four of Wands, and Page of... Yeah. From being this on and off, in and out, emotionally unstable kind of energy, you want something long term. You want something committed. And you are ready to put in the effort and energy from your side to take the first step in this direction. You're not sure about the other person here, but from your side, this is your intention. And you're open to the idea of starting from the start, maybe with the same person, but you want something long term, you want something stable, you want something that you can rely on for the rest of your life. You want a deep rooted soulmate kind of connection. Yeah, marriage, commitment, long term partnership. It's good. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys to the 30th of November, Pisces. Temperance, a lot of healing in this, like on an individual level as well, or and in the situation as well. Lot of patience, lot of healing, and a sense of coming together in a calm and positive way. Let's clarify the underlying situation, what's going on. We have the King of Cups, the Sun, and the Emperor. Fantastic. So somebody is going to finally take the charge of the situation in their hands, and they might or might not express their feelings, but their actions are going to speak louder than word spices. It can be your action, it can be theirs, it can be both of you coming on the same page finally, and understanding that both of you have love for each other, both of you care for each other, both of you respect each other, and both of you want the same thing. So eventually you guys are going to understand that both of you want the same thing out of this situation. So let the actions speak louder than the words. You might not say I love you kuchi ku to each other, but you guys are going to find a middle ground where both of you are going to share a very warm, very beautiful, very nurturing, compassionate, mature, grounded, solid kind of connection with each other. You guys might not see it on a physical level, you guys are going to feel it on an internal level in a very, very beautiful and positive way. Only if you both of you are going to allow to not to take your mind too seriously, and not to operate from your minds. If you guys are going to keep your heart open in this direction from both the sides, there are massive energies of growth, happiness, and a lot of healing and coming together positively in a very beautiful way. This is freaking amazing. Yeah. So this is awesome. This is awesome. Finally, one of you or maybe both of you, I think the male counterpart, the masculine energy in this situation is going to take the charge of the situation. They are going to like speak louder. Like their actions are going to speak louder than their words, and the feminine energy is going to provide the stable base for healing, for nurturing and happiness. And this blend is going to create a very beautiful energy that both of you are going to sense and cherish and nourish. Awesome. Awesome energy, Pisces. I'm so happy. Let's see the guidance here. For these things to happen, you guys have to allow these things to happen, right? A lot of dumb people don't understand it, and I can't fight with everybody because I can understand where they stand in their life. So this is what it is. So we have the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Six of Swords, right? You guys have to let go of lots of past baggages. Lots of past baggages, lots of past issues maybe in this particular situation. You guys have to start from the maturity, from a stable base, from this understanding of whatever happened. You cannot change the past, but you have to clear the air with each other. You guys have to communicate very, very honestly with all of your heart and soul to each other, and let go of the past baggages out of this situation, so that you can literally start from the scratch and literally start from the start and enjoy the process, enjoy the journey. Because at the end of the day, both of you want the same thing, both of you respect each other, love each other, both of you have this tendency to make this situation go to the next level in a very beautiful way. This situation have a huge potential, but for this thing to happen, you guys have to come on the same page. You have to clear the air with each other. You have to let go of the past baggages, past hurt and pain completely. You can't erase the past, but you can accept the past. Okay. And then your actions are going to speak louder than words. These are the terms and conditions that I told you for this situation to unfold into a really, really beautiful and magnificent kind of energy, right? This have a potential. This situation have a strong, strong, strong potential. So think about it. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to a love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and if 10 seconds is not enough for you, you can pause the video, and whenever you feel like, unpause and see the answer. If this section of answers round, giving me the answer to you guys, is not resonating with you, Pisces, you can leave this portion. You don't have to, get frustrated or angry or fit yourself forcibly into this section. Sometimes it's not meant to be, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the answer to your question is this is the sign. Let me explain from the guidebook. This is the sign. We have where's what the hell is happening? I'm not getting the sign. Yeah. Sometimes we find ourselves in limbo, putting off making decisions or taking next steps towards something we are unsure of. If you have been searching for a sign that you should do, leave, or start something, this is that sign. Okay. This also means that depending on the question you have asked, this is an affirmative card and form of yes. Think of it as your green light to take action. Bingo. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.